Now let's look at how to do a two-digit subtraction problem using the same strategies. So just like before, we've got two-digit subtraction, two-digit numbers, and we're going to use both the base 10 block model, the break apart model, and the number line model, as well as a hundreds chart model in order to solve this problem. All four are strategies that your child may ask to use when solving problems for homework. Okay, so like before, the base 10 blocks are blocks that we have in class that represent our hundreds, tens, and ones places. In this case, we clearly don't need the hundreds place, so we'll just be using tens and ones. I'm going to draw a place value chart that separates 46 into its tens and its ones. 46 has 4 tens, which represents 40, and 6 ones. I represent the tens with sticks. Our blocks in class we call rods and are three-dimensional. But we have 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. We also have 6 ones, which we represent on paper as dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to take 22 away. So in this case, we're not going to draw 22. We're going to cross it off from the 46 we've already drawn. So I'm going to take 2 away, and I can easily do that. 1, 2, which means I'm left with these 4 ones. And then I'm going to take my 2 tens away, 1, 2, and I'm left with 2 tens, which represents 20. So 2 tens, or 20, plus 4 is equal to 24. Another representation of that is the break apart strategy, which really is the same thing, as just in numerical form instead of manipulatives or a pictorial form. So where I'm going to break apart my numbers, 46 can be broken apart into 40 and 6, whereas 22 can be broken apart into 20 and 2. And that's the same thing as saying it has 4 tens and 6 ones. So now I'm just going to write 2 different equations. I'm going to subtract that from that and subtract my ones from my other set of ones. So 40 minus 20 equals 20, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. So I'm left with 2 partial differences of 20 and 4, which is 24. We can also solve it on what's called an open number line. It doesn't have hash marks, and we're going to do different types of jumps. We're going to jump backwards. So because I'm making my number smaller by subtracting, I'm going to start on this end of the number line with 46. And then first, I don't want to jump back 22 different times, 22 individual jumps. So instead, I'm going to break it up into its tens and its ones. I'm going to jump backwards 2 tens. Minus 10, minus 20. Okay, they each represent a jump of 10. 46 minus 10 is 36. Minus 10 more is 26. So now I need to just jump back my 2 ones. So 26 minus 1, minus 2. 26, 25, 24. That gets me to my difference of 24. Finally, we're going to solve it using the hundreds chart like we did before with addition. So we're going to start with 46, and then I'm going to jump backwards by tens. 10, 20, because the kids know that on a hundreds chart, the numbers in the columns are all differentiated by 10. So go backwards 10, backwards 20, and now I just need to go back 2 more ones. Minus 1, minus 2, and I land on 24.